Dear team, in this video we will show you all the precautionary measures few of the employees allowed in West Bengal office are taking because we have to run live living with the virus but with all safety precautions. You can see this is a dress for all the employees in the office including me. There's a hair cap, there is a proper face shield, you can see through it, you can clean it, reusable, there's a proper mask and there's a proper gloves. So this is our Shumanda in the office. And Shumanda can give a big thumbs up to the video. Shumanda, one thumbs up for you. Okay, but before we take you upstairs, from ground floor, first floor and second floor, we can show you that you can see here no mask, no entry, SIP Abacus. So it says no mask, no entry, temperature check, sanitize your hands, disinfect shoe base, maintain 2 feet distance, stay within barricade, no human touch. You may say it's madness, but what to do? This madness has become now normal part of the life if we have to go out and work. So now we will show you what happens when someone, anyone, employee, outsider, insider, whoever comes to the office. Shumanda, if you can just. So this is the entrance in the second floor of our West Bengal SIP Abacus regional office. So here the person comes, somebody is there near the door always. The full door is opened. So now you see what Deepak will do. First, the temperature will be checked. No touch. Closer, Deepak, closer. You can see temperature being checked. If it is within 99, it's okay. Then they will be made to hands-free sanitize. So you can see hands-free sanitizer bottle. The next thing will be done. We will be giving, it's known as the floor sanitizer. This is called the floor sanitizer. So Shumanda can hold on the wall and show how we all spray below the shoe base. That's very important. Automatic sprayer so that nothing is wasted. Also the work is done. It's called the floor space for floor and shoe base. Then when Shumandani employee enters the office, they will use the surface spray to disinfect the helmet. Show how you disinfect your bags and your helmet. This is the surface spray. So they will use the surface spray, is different from the floor spray. If you have laptop bag, any helmet, it is only for employees who will enter because outsiders beyond this area is not allowed. You can see there is a complete barricade here for outsiders, then they can enter with the whole sanitization. Now Deepak, what he will do after a person comes, he is going to disinfect the door and now he will disinfect the floor. Outside no use because a lot of people go outside, but here the mats are there, he will completely disinfect it and then keep it. Now Deepak, can you show us by floor spray when stock comes from Chennai or from outside, how we spray and disinfect all the boxes? So you can see the automatic sprayer he uses. Full spray, all sides they will spray. When a stock comes from Chennai, this is the way. Any stock coming from outside, any goods coming from outside, proper disinfectant spray has been done. Okay Deepak, thank you. Then we will see here, we have created, very clearly it's there, the precaution rules. The 4 or 5 employees who are coming in the office, all of them thankfully are following it. Now Shumanda, if you can show us one spray. This personal spray we have given to all the employees so that when they are traveling in taxi or outside public taxis or bikes or whatever, they are having a personal disinfect spray.
Names are also there.
Yeah. And plus they are also carrying a hand sanitizer at all times. Because if we have to make the employees work, we must make sure that they are all safe. Inside office, one has to strictly, if they are alone, they have to wear mask. If they are with people, they have to, you can see, they are wearing shield. We will now take, you can see even when stocks are being packed, Parthoda, one thumbs up. The complete pack, and when outsider comes, Parthoda wears his gloves also. And you can see even Girida, everyone is following the rules sincerely because we have to work but also save ourselves. And if we can take you outside this veranda, coffee machine, they have to wash your hands before touching the machine. Every basin or so we have kept this Dettol hand wash, and you can see even on the top of the coffee machine and fridge over here, anywhere they touch, they have to use the hand wash or wash their hands or sanitize, whichever is suitable, the micro oven. And even if we take you inside the washroom, what we have done, we are showing this video so that the hygiene part is followed. You can see we have kept a floor sanitizer here. It says use the disinfect floor spray before and after using the toilets. The AC is cleaned every week. The AC fans are cleaned every week. And we are showing you this video so that everyone stays safe.